Okay, here we go. We are filming.
We got worms. It's good soil. Come on, babies. Leaf mulch, just some leaf mold or whatever. Did its work. All right, so here's one. Here's one.
Seems pretty wet.
Yeah, well, I watered it 2 days ago, but I didn't water them yesterday. We got some pretty decent sized ones.
Are these also Yukon Golds?
These are Yukon Golds.
Okay. How long ago were they planted?
It's been 104 days, I think. I think
Okay.
4 is the day.
104. Okay, good. Oh,
So-
there's a baby. Oh, here come the birds. Look.
They're like, give me some more lemon and give me some worms. All right, let's see what we got here.
I'm not reaching in because I'm not wearing gloves. I
I
don't
know.
really want to get too dirty.
That's why I'm wearing gloves. Okay.
Do you want to throw some of that dirt back into the bucket here as you
Oh, that's a good one.
do your thing?
What do you think that is? That
A rock?
You're right. It's like, boy, that's a hard potato.
And here come the birds. Like, oh, we like rocks. They're like, where are the worms, Megan?
I'll give you worms.
I don't see a worm, though.
I threw out about 4 of them before you.
There's a tater.
Where? Ooh, tater.
That's a big one.
Big tater. Try not to get my hair this time, because
Okay.
last time it was all wet and ugly. And it looked like I had greasy hair, but it was just wet.
Okay. For all of you YouTube people giving us YouTube dollars here, pay attention there to what Megan's saying. It's not greasy, it's wet.
It's just wet. All you YouTube. Ooh,
Well, there's a worm.
wormies.
Yum, yum, yum. So there we go.
Oh, another
There's
one.
another one. Okay, here we go.
Oh,
Oh.
Sunshine. She's
Sunshine for the
snagging
kill.
them all.
Well, the babies just ran away. Oh, there's a worm
Where? Ooh,
right there.
big one. Ooh, and there's a.
Oh, huh! Sunshine ignored it.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a baker.
There's one.
Did you miss something?
Thought I did.
This one's got far fewer worms in it. The potatoes look like they're about the same number as last time,
But they're bigger.
but they look a little bit bigger, yeah. Sunshine is wondering, where are the worms? Where are the worms? Where are the worms? This is not good.
That baby, tiny baby one. Oh, happy. Ooh,
There are a
lamb.
lot of taters in here.
Yes, there are. I saw one. No. There might be it.
Try not to throw dirt in my face.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, Megan, so I don't think you're correct about that might be it. You haven't even looked under this pile yet.
Well, that pile is usually. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah, this is a better week.
Sorry, birds, it's not a good week for worms.
It's a rock. Oh, wait.
Wait,
There was a worm.
was there?
I thought there was. It just said, hell no, I won't go.
Okay.
All right, I think this is just going to be the mulch on the bottom.
Oh, there's a worm. You just
Yeah,
went
they'll-
right over it.
Yeah, the worms love the mulch part. The leaf mold. Good job.
Here we go. Oh, there are 2 worms right there, look.
All right.
Okay, here we go. So, here are the worms.
And then there's the chicken. Hooray!
Okay. All right, well then, let's get into that mulch there and see some worms.
Oop. Whoa! Look at,
Here's another worm right here. Too. Look.
Glenn just loves those worms. I think that actually might be it.
Yeah, Megan, every time you say this is it, here comes a worm.
And a tater.
Yeah, tater.
Now I think this might be
Hold
it.
on. Okay.
We had a good harvest today.
I think so. You know, I don't know if we need to harvest more. That's like a couple of meals worth right there.
Oh yeah, we don't need to go any further. We'll wait until next week
Okay.
and harvest. So next week will be the Corolla, which is a
The
variety.
Corona?
Corolla.
Okay.
And that's a variety I've never grown.
The birds are not happy. We're missing 2 birds. Where are they?
They're probably creating
Hopefully they're laying eggs.
breakfast for us.
Okay.
All right, I think we got it.
All right. All right.
This is a much bigger portion than we had last time. So that's exciting. Special
Okay.
effects for those YouTube dollars. YouTube
Yes.
dollars, yes.
More YouTube dollars,
Yay,
please.
yay.
Here we are at Farmageddon. Signing off.
Bye.
Goodbye.